Joining me at IAA Olive Crown Awards 2026 is Rohan Agarwal, who's the founder of Illumini Communications, who's won the award in the digital category. Could you tell us more about this win?
This win is very elating for us because we have been into this domain for the past 6 years, and speaking of sustainability or environment, we have been doing some work in this space for the past 14 years in different capacities, especially this sustainability and climate and environment is very close to my heart, and winning something of such a great stature is a very good feeling, of course, and it gives us more strength to do more such work in the coming years.
Could you tell us a little bit about your campaign as well and the other works you're doing apart from that?
This particular campaign that has won in the digital category is Vanishing Chirps. It's basically a message regarding the declining population of sparrows in India. And I will just tell the description of the campaign. Basically, if you want to get a picture of a sparrow, either you Google it or you go to an AI engine to generate the image. So it follows this approach that once you go through the AI engine and you search about sparrows gathering at the balcony, the AI response is that not much is there for the photo because the population is declining. So that human negligence cannot be compensated by the human artificial intelligence. So that is the message that campaign gives.
Right. And lastly, your view on sustainability.
See, the earth that has been given to us, it is a gift, and we have to nurture this gift, we have to take care of it, and we have to keep this thing in mind that this planet Earth is not just for human beings. It is for everyone, every creature on this planet, and we have to care for it. We need to mind our actions, and also the Constitution of India, it tells about the fundamental duty to preserve the natural environment. So we need to do this duty as well, and whatever we can do in the space we need to do, be it action, be it awareness, or be it anything.